Hello viewers, welcome to this video lecture on Carnot's map that is shortly called as K-map. Earlier we had seen the simplification of Boolean expressions using Boolean laws and theorems. The disadvantage using those method was that as the number of variables increases, the method or the simplification becomes complex, time consuming and may become erroneous. So, K maps come into picture when the number of variables are increased. So, K map can simplify the number of the Boolean expressions when the number of variables are ranging from 2 to 2 onwards. And we can solve up to 5 variables and 6 variables, but it also has some limitations that we will see in the further videos to come. So, let's start with the video. Representation of Boolean function we have seen in the last lectures. So now reduction of Boolean function using the K maps. So we will see the K maps in detail in this video lecture. First of all, let us see the simplification of Boolean functions, the various methods which are available. Simplification of Boolean functions. There are basically four methods. One you have seen, that is with the help of Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra you have seen by using the Boolean laws and Boolean theorems. You can minimize a Boolean expression and a Boolean function to simplify the hardware, right? And the second method is that is called as a variable entered mapping, VEM method, right? And the third method is called as Carnot's map, Carnot map, or in short, K-map method. And the fourth one method is tabulation method, or Queen, Quine, McCluskey. This is Queen, Clusky method. So VM method is not in your syllabus. So in this, we will be covering, we will be basically focusing on K-map method and QM method. This is in short, this is called as QM method. Right? So now you have covered Boolean simplification of Boolean function using this Boolean algebra and Boolean laws. Now, what is the advantage? What was the advantage of simplification? For the simplification of hardware. Simplification of hardware, you are simplifying the Boolean function. In hardware, you are basically reducing the number of gates. This is what you are doing, Anil.
Yes, ma'am.
This is what you are doing in while doing the simplification of Boolean function. Means you were reducing the Boolean function using Boolean algebra. You were doing this, na? You were reducing the number of gates. यही कर रहे थे ना आप?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what was the why we need another methods? Why you need K-map? Because if the Boolean function is very large, there are more than three variables, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then
This Boolean algebra method is not feasible, right? So if the number of variable in a increases in a Boolean function, in a Boolean expression, for that, for their reduction, for their simplification, Boolean laws are not sufficient, right? Boolean laws are not sufficient, right? So if variables are more than 3 or more than 4, we go for K-map methods. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this method is generally used for more than 5 or more than 4 variables. Okay, चलो K maps क्या है? K map is the pictorial diagram. K map is a pictorial diagram, and if we are having n variable, then it will have 2 raised to power n cells in it, right? If we have n variables, then it will have 2 raised to power n cells, and each cell corresponds to either min term or max term, right? So these are the, you can say, properties of K-map. It is a pictorial diagram. If there are n variables, then 2 raised to power n cells that K-map will contain, and each cell in a K-map corresponds to any min term or max term. Now you are very much familiar with what is a min term and what is a max term. What is a min term? Min term is the term which is contained in the sum of product form of the Boolean expression, right? And what is max term? It is the term which is contained in the product of some form of the Boolean expression. And max term is, example of max term is A plus B plus C. And min term is A, B, C plus P, C, D, like this, right? And fourth term is K map follows the gray code. Means the cells are numbered according to the gray code, right? Gray code means if there are two variables, then the numbers will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. If we have 2-bit K-map, then the structure will be like this. How many cells will be there? First thing, 2 raised to power n is 2 equal to 4 cells will be there, right? So 2 variables means A and B, right? So here it is 0, 1, 0, and 1. Means here A will be A bar, here it is A, here it is B bar, here it is B, right? So here the min term will be M0, this is M1, because here it is A bar, B bar. In this cell it is A bar, it is B bar. In this cell, Anil, it is A bar, B. In this cell, what will be? A, B bar.
B bar
In this cell, what it will be? A,
and B.
B. Right? So
Yes, ma'am.
what it will be? This is M0. This will be 0, 1 means M1. And this is min term M2. And this is M3. Clear? This is for 2-bit K-map. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
For 3-bit map, now you will tell me. Now variables are 3. How many cells will be there? 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8 cells. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 8 cells, variables means let us take A, B and C. Variables you can take any PQR, any name you can give to variables. I am giving it is A, B and C. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now 8 cells you have to take. Either you can take A on one side or BC on other side or AB on one side and C on other side. I am taking A on one side and BC on other side. If I am taking this side and 4 cells on this side, 1, 2, 3 and sorry 4. Total 8 cells, right? This is 0 and this is 1 here. Now, how you will write BC here on this side? You have to follow gray code. So, first it will be 0, 0. BC will be 0, 0. Then 0, 1. Then, according to binary, it has to be 1, 0. But you are following gray code. Now, what gray code says that when the next number comes, only one bit has to be changed. Because in binary, when you take it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. But you are following gray code. Gray code says 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 comes first, and then 1,
0.
0. Now, gray code says that only one bit can change at a time. Here you see 0 is same, only this bit has changed. From 0, 1 to 1, 1, this bit has changed, this is same, right? From
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
1 to 1, 0, this is same, only one bit has changed.
Bit change.
Whereas, when you go for binary, this is same, this one bit is changed, okay. But when you go from 0, 1 to 1, 0, both bits have changed, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
that's why you are not following binary, you are following gray code because we want that only one bit should change at a time. Because for when you are going from one number to another, BC is going from 00 to 01, only one bit change is there. When going from 01 to 11, one bit change is there. When going from 11 to 10, one bit changes there. That's why we have written 11 first and then 10, not 10 and then 11 as it was there in the binary number system. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is three variables system. Now in three variables, now here in this cell, what will be ABC? It will be 0, 0, 0. It will be 0, 0, 1. It will be 0, 1, 1. And here 0, 1, 0. For next row you speak, this will be 1, 0, 0. Anil?
Yes, ma'am.
Here it is A is 1. Here A is 1. You tell what will come here?
1, ma'am.
1, 0, 1. Next. Next में क्या आएगा?
1,
1.
0,
Then
0.
1, 1, 1. No, 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 no. Because A is 1 here, BC is 1 here. And you are writing here.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly for this cell A is 1
Yes, ma'am.
and BC is 1, 0. So A is 1, BC is
1, 1,
1, 0.
0. Right, ma'am.
Like this. Right? So
Yes, ma'am.
again I am repeating this. A is 0, 0, BC is 0. कितने बजे A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, right? That's why I have written A0, B0, C0. And here A is 0, B is 0, and C is 0. That's why it is 0, 0, 1. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is A0 and BC is 1, 1.
1 1.
A is 0, B is 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0. Now it is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if there are four variables, 4-bit K-map. Similarly, for min terms, you know this is M0, right? This is M1, this is M2, this is M3, this is M4, this is M5, this is M6, this is M7. And for 4-bit K-map, how many cells will be there? 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16 cells will be there. How many variables? 4 variables, A, B, C, and D. Right? So the
Yes, ma'am.
map will be like this. 4 variables map, A, B on one side, C, D on another side. Right? Clear? Same gray coding 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And in the cells now you can write the numbers, Anil. Here
Yes,
what
ma'am.
will come here? 0, 0,
0 0
0,
0
because A, B, C, D all are zeros.
0
Now
0
in this cell is 0, 0,
0 1.
very good. 0, 1. Here it is 0, 0, 1,
1
1. 0, 0, 1, 0.
0
Zero
1
1 0 0 0 1 0 1, like this you can write. And when you will write in the terms of AB, what you will write it as? It will be A bar, B bar, C bar, and D bar, because all are zeros, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because all are zeros. So where it is 0, because we are writing about min term, it is min term is M0, here it is M1, this is M2, M3, this is M4, this is M5, this is M6, here it is min term 7, here now it is M8, note it down, this is M9, M10, M11, this is M12, M13, M14, and M15. And min terms, you know, this is M6, and you can also write it down from here. It is 0, 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1, 0. This is 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 0. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and 1 0 1 0, right? So this is in numbers, and when you have to write in term of variables, you will write that where it is 1, it will be written as like this A, where it is 0, it will be written as complement, B is complement 0, and C is like this, and D is complement 1 0 1 0. This is written here 1 0 1 0. So here it is M10, means in this cell A is 1 0 1 0, right? So this cell is denoted to min term 10, which is denoted by A, B bar, C, D bar. Clear? So this is a 4-bit K map. So let me correct myself. The K map is more than three variables, but it is suitable up to five variables. And your QM method is suitable for more than five variables, because more than five variables से ज़्यादा अगर variables आपके हो जाते हैं, then QM method is the best. If there are more than five variables, then KM method also becomes very complex. Clear? Is it clear, Anil? If there is any doubt to anyone, you can ask.
Thank you everyone for watching this video till end. I hope you must have liked this video. If you have any doubt, any query to get it answered, please write it in the comment box. Thank you.